Welcome students. I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we learn about the jaundice disease. Definition: jaundice is yellowish discoloration of the skin, sclera and the mucous membrane due to the hyperbilirubinemia and the deposition of bile pigment in the skin. It is usually detectable clinically when the plasma bilirubin content exceeds the 50 micromole per liter or 3 mg per deciliter. Jaundice is not a disease but rather a sign of that can occur in many different diseases. As shown in the diagram, yellowing is associated with the accumulation of bilirubin in the skin, most often caused by the liver and gallbladder disorders. Types of jaundice. There are three types of jaundice: prehepatic jaundice, intrahepatic jaundice and the posthepatic jaundice. Prehepatic jaundice is arising from the blood before it enters the liver. In that condition, the serum total bilirubin content is only the 5 to 17 micromole per liter or 0.3 to 1 mg per deciliter. So it is called the prehepatic jaundice. Intrahepatic. This jaundice occurs due to the disease of liver parenchyma. In that type of jaundice, total serum bilirubin content in the body is 50 to 350 micromole per liter or 0.3 to 20 mg per deciliter. And in case of posthepatic jaundice, the result of obstruction of biliary tree outside the liver. In that condition, total serum bilirubin content in the body is 100 to 750 micromole per liter or 0.6 to 45 mg per deciliter. Epidemiology. The prevalence of jaundice varies with the age and sex. Newborn and the adult are the most often affected with this disease. Approximately 20% of newborn develop the jaundice in the first week of life, primarily because of immaturity of the hepatic conjugation process. The congestional abnormalities, hemolytic or the bilirubin uptake disorders and the conjugation defect are also responsible for the jaundice in the infancy or the childhood. Viral hepatitis A is the most frequent cause of jaundice among school-age children. Common duct stones, alcoholic liver disease and neoplastic jaundice occur in the middle age and the older patients. Causes of jaundice. Jaundice occur when there is too much bilirubin being produced from the liver and unable to remove from the blood. For example, patients with the hemolytic anemia have an abnormally rapid rate of destruction of their RBCs that release the large amounts of bilirubin into the blood. The second is a defect in the liver that prevents the bilirubin from being removed from the blood, converted to bilirubin and a glucuronic acid or secreted in bile. Third is blockage of the bile duct that decrease the flow of bile and the bilirubin from the liver into the intestine. For example, the bile duct can blocked by the cancer, gallstones and the inflammation of bile duct. The decreased conjugation, secretion or the flow of bile that can result in the jaundice is referred to as a cholestasis. However, the cholestasis does not always result in jaundice. Sign and symptoms of jaundice. Common sign and symptoms seen in the individual with the jaundice include the yellow discoloration of skin, mucous membrane and the white of the eyes. Then second sign and symptoms are the light color stools, dark color urine, itching of the skin, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, fever, weakness, loss of appetite, headache, confusion, swelling of the leg and the abdomen. These are the some signs and symptoms which is occur during the jaundice disease. Diagnosis. How we diagnose the jaundice disease? The yellowing of the skin and eyes are the likely to be the main clues a doctor will use the before confirming a jaundice diagnosis. A physical examination will be carried out to look for the sign of swelling of the liver and the legs, ankles or the feet, which might indicate the cirrhosis of the liver. Hepatitis virus panel to look for the infection of the liver. Liver function test, complete blood count to check for the low blood count or the anemia. Abdominal ultrasound, abdominal CT scan, endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, ERCP test, MRI scan and the liver biopsy. These tests are also used in the diagnosis of jaundice disease. Prevention of jaundice. Due to the worldwide range of potential causes, it's not possible to prevent all cases of jaundice. However, there are four main precautions that you can take to minimize your risk of developing the jaundice. There are ensuring that you stick to the recommended daily amount for the alcohol consumption. Second, maintaining the healthy weight for your health and build. If appropriate, ensuring that you are vaccinated against the hepatitis A or B infection. Vaccination would usually only be recommended depending on where in the world you are traveling. Minimizing your risk of exposure to hepatitis C because there's currently no vaccine for that condition. Management. Treatment depend on the cause of the underlying condition leading to the jaundice and any potential complication related to it. Once a diagnosis is made, treatment can then be directed to address that the particular condition, and it may or may not require the hospitalization. Treatment may consist of the expected management at the home with the rest. Medical treatment with intravenous fluid medication, antibiotics or the blood transfusion may be required. If a drug or toxin is the cause, these must be discontinued. In certain cases of newborn jaundice, exposing to phototherapy or the exchange blood transfusion may be required to decrease the elevated bilirubin level. Surgical treatment may be required in case of obstruction jaundice. The other treatment suggested as a supportive care, IV fluid in case of dehydration, medications for the nausea, vomiting and the pain, antibiotics, antiviral medications such as acyclovir are used in the treatment of jaundice. Blood transfusion for autoimmune hepatitis like the steroids and the immunosuppressant. For chronic hepatitis B and C, interferons. For fulminant hepatitis and age end stage liver failure, liver transplantation, and in case of liver cancer, chemotherapy or the radiation therapy is used to treat that disease. Thank you everyone.